There you have it. A queen-size foldable cot made of a combination of MDF and plywood, which makes it durable, and it comes with a hydraulic mechanism that makes the pull-down system easier and hassle-free. This saves an incredible amount of space for you to utilize for other purposes. The bed has a phenomenal leg support. The edge has a rubber material that makes it non-slippery and completely safe to use. It can hold up to 300 kgs of weight. You can hop on it and it won't crash. You see, it is strong and is experimented through 30,000 cycles by keeping in mind multiple usage situations with respect to weight and also the mechanism. Take this ironing table for example. Usually, a normal one takes a lot of space and you need to reserve a specific spot for it. But in this case, it gets easily folded and it gets accommodated inside the cabinet. Isn't this so convenient? This master bedroom has a king-sized bed that is also a foldable one. This bed also has a hydraulic assist system and an additional rod through which it gets pulled down easily without much effort and doesn't free fall on an individual. You see? It also comes with a storage unit to store your pillows, blankets, quilts, books, etc. Overall, it is designed to ensure safety and ease of use. With the bed folded, I have ample space to practice my yoga and do my meditation. This invisible bed comes with 10 years of warranty and reassurance of utmost safety.